It's weird because from a physics perspective, physics attribute coincidence to based on an infinite amount of chaos. Right? Based on an infinite amount of chaos narrative. Let me sit up, man. Stop laying in the bed like a bitch. Get your ass up, man. Speak up. Lazy ass fat pig. So from a physics perspective, based on an infinite amount of chaos, narrative is inevitable. It's one of those so-called hypotheses in physics, is the inevitability of chaos. Narrative will occur. So outrises these highly improbable coincidental events a scenario and they attribute it to coincidences. But there's an issue with that idea. There's an issue with that concept in terms of coincidences by definition is supposed, basically every human on the planet is supposed to, if the radical materialist science belief or idea they attribute to coincidences, what coincidences really is, then every human on the planet is supposed to experience coincidences in a sort of from a binary perspective. I mean binary in the literal sense. A person is only supposed to experience